in El Medano, in the beach of windsurfer's paradise. If you are in Tenerife and you have such a windy day like today, there are so many activities to do. Take a look. We are at Red Rock Surfing School and we're gonna talk to some guys here. Windsurfing school. Hello.
Hi. The reason why the people want to learn kitesurfing is the kitesurfing is easy to learn. It needs no energy, no power. It uses only control from the kite. Yeah, the control from the kite is 95% of kitesurfing. So if you have the control from the kite, it's like a car driving. You make it intuitive, and after I think 6 or 7 hours in the water, you are able to drive. Surfing, you stay on the board,
Okay.
and with kitesurfing, you hang in the kite.
Okay, it's like
This is difficult. This is a difference. Yeah. With all sports like surfing or windsurfing, you stay on the board, like in this position, like in this position. But with kitesurfing, you full hang in the kite. You need only the board to make a pressure in the water. So it's like a feeling feeling to fly. Yeah. What I said, yes, you need no power in your arms, no power in your body. The full power is on your harness, and you need only 2 fingers to control the kite.
yeah.
So it's very, very, very easy to.
I mean, it's one of the best things you can ever do.
Yeah.
It definitely is. I mean, it's a lot, depending on what you're up to. If you want to kite, it's not that hard. If you want to surf or windsurf, it may be a harder start, but that will be, like, many people just keep doing it because it's so incredible. It's so, just makes you happy. Depends. You should always stay in control. You should always, like, essentially riding a car produces way more accidents than doing sports. And that's true. The car, when we go in a car like 160 kilometers an hour, 120, we have some control, we have some chances of survival, but people die a lot in a car accident. Here you have way more control, and here you can go with windsurf, you can go like 35, 40 kilometers an hour, and it feels like you're going 200. So if you crash, you crash into water. You can have some accident, but it's way safer than riding a car. The safety margin is much higher than with riding a car. Riding a car, when you're passing a different car in the front of you, you have only 1 second, and you're one wrong decision and you're dead. Here it's nothing like that. You see the person going, and it's just, it looks dangerous maybe, but it's way safer than many things you've done. If you can overcome the fear of driving a car, you can definitely do that. It will cost you a few hundreds to make a course, and you need to do it in the beginning. Especially for kiting, you definitely need a course. You definitely need to understand how the kite works, how the wind works, because the kite has a lot of power, and you need to know how to control it. With like windsurfing and surfing, you could go without, but it's faster if you take lessons. Just more reward. But of course, there is some learning curve and there is some investment. But once you got over it, you buy your stuff. You don't have to buy the newest stuff, the newest gear. You can buy like used gear, especially for a beginner. You're normally quite okay with used gear.
It's like car driving, and you don't want to start with a big Mercedes.
You don't need it. You don't need it. It's not hard to do, but it's a sport. it makes you fit, and it makes
Gives you
you.
energy as well.
Yes.
You are losing, you spending energy, but in the same way, when you're enjoying, you're getting it back. No?
Yeah.
Amazing. Now
Yeah.
I really would like to try it.
No, yeah.
How are you doing?
Just a sunny day today, yeah?
Sun protection.
Yeah, see.